biyahe, walang plano, walang preno. Bawal ang seryoso, fun-fun lang dito. Pagod, arte lang yan. Kwento, walang ubusan. Ito ang mabilisang biyahe, one biyahe, endless kwento. Tara na! Hi guys, this is Mavi and welcome to Mabilisang Biyahe, where every trip comes with kwento, kilig, and konting kalokohan. And today, we're off to a place that looks straight like fairy tale, Bruges, Belgium. Go na tayo. Magbasa tayo. Ito na yun. Ito yung basa to. Okay. So, kailangan natin bumili ng ticket ng bus.
We can use the one that I still have.
Okay. And from here, ilang minutes papuntang,
City Center.
Yeah.
By bus. Mga 2 minutes lang.
Ay, sobrang dali lang. Yan, sige.
Ito, Simpler Scan. Ito number 1. Parating. Di ba? Nakarating ka ba?
Now, nandito na kami sa Bruges. And we're going to try their waffle.
More dense. The Belgian Brussels is airy.
Okay.
Itong gusto ko personally. Ito kasi makakapal.
This one is soft, sweet and salt for 3 euros and 30.
Ito siya. Pero mas ano siya. Ito ang mahangin, airy.
Airy. This one is traditional Brussels waffles, very light and crunchy.
Yeah.
For 4 euros and 50 cents.
And you can have toppings.
Yeah. Looks delicious. This has melted Belgian chocolate.
Yes. Dark and milk.
Dark and milk chocolate. I got my waffles. Ayan, try natin. Try na lang natin si V.
Crunchy na.
Para mo namang ngayon ka lang nakakain at taga dito ka. Paka-itsusera nito. Guys, napaka-itsusera niya. Taga dito siya eh.
Sobrang sarap. Nakalimutan mo na kain mo na pala to.
Sa sobrang sarap, pati ang payong kumakain ng waffle. Napakasaya. Okay.
Alright. First 5 minutes.
Di ba? Wow, sa pagkain pa lang ng waffle, ang dami na nangyari. Pati ang payong kumain na taob-taob lahat. Diba? Kasi sabi ko, classic lang ang kakainin ko. Sabi niya, ate, itry mo yung may chocolate and kineso Marie. O, ayan. O, di naglagkit kami ngayon. Ngayon, naiingit kami din sa mga kumakain ng, ng waffle na classic lang. Alam mo yung walang mga ganong-ganong na nangyayari sa buhay nila. Masaya sila.
Meant to be kasi puti pa yung suot mo.
Oo, napakasaya. Napakasaya talaga ng experience.
At least gamit yung white lights.
No, pero masarap talaga. In fairness talaga.
Yan kasi mas paborito ko eh.
Perfecto sa kape.
Paparinig ka ba? Gusto mo akong pabilan ng kape?
No, hindi.
Para kape naman matapon.
Hindi, I mean, syempre magandang combination yung coffee na. Yung coffee ba na yung walang sugar? Ako gusto ko ganun. Kasi na to eh.
Tamis na siya. Pero hindi OA ang tamis niya, no?
Ay, kamo. Sorry, ang laki kong sumubo.
Oo nga.
Ganun,
Busog na ako, nakikita kitang nagsusubo.
ganun talaga pag may opportunity sa iyo ang buhay. Lakihan mo ang bunganga mo. Lakihan mo ang bunganga mo. Lakihan mo ang bunganga mo. Para makuha mo yung ano.
Hindi ako makarelate dyan kasi andito pa yung akin eh.
Mamaya ka na kumain.
Mamaya, isipin ko may racist yung pala, mga lang na yung dumapo.
Mga kainan ng kalapate.
Extra ta.
Ang baba ng payo. Asa ako mag-a-adjust?
Ayan na. Session mo. Para sa na-planch ang
So
buhok.
we just finished eating Belgian waffle
Salamat ka, nag-deodorant ako.
with the chocolate splatter on the umbrella. And it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Oh, si Meme, oh. Meme Vice! Meme Vice! Suplada siya. Nagtatrap. Ay, mga hot dogs. Yan naman po. Okay, English. Belfort. Select date and time. Date and time. Select date and time.
Ano tayo?
So, hindi ako successful sa Belfry Tower kasi sobrang puno na yung slots. Ang binibigay na slot sa akin is 4 o'clock pa. No? So, masyado.
Parang within 2 hours.
Within 2 hours ka pa maghihintay. And tsaka, yeah, but I hate waiting. Wow.
Wow.
No, tsaka
Ano ba yun yung sugal? Basic?
waiting. Waiting yun eh.
Waiting lang.
Kaya naman, bibili na lang ako ng bag sa Delvaux.
Oh my
Wow.
God. That is
Joke lang. Joke
Thousand
lang.
brand. Tignan mo. Alam mo na.
Ang Delvaux.
In advance.
Yeah.
Ayan yung prices.
Look at the prices.
Uy, may mura. 350.
Card holder, 350. Kaya lang ang mararating ng 350 mo.
This little iPad.
Yeah. I'm gonna set up this one in.
What's your name? Say hi to my vlog.
I feel.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Dito kasi merong iPad and then ipo-point mo lang dyan. Tapos lalabas na. May mga questions. Iba-ibang questions.
Sure ko pa yun.
Oo. Hindi tayo sa walang tao. Look, ang saya. Ito pala dati yung mga kung paano binuburu yung beer. Galing siya sa mga ganito. So, actually, parang ito, mas modern na to no? Look at that. Actually, ito yung mga natikman ko ng beer. This one, Chang, Heineken, Amstel, this one, and this one. Pero itong tatlo na to, hindi ko pa yan natitikman. This one, ito malakas to. And Shimei also. Shimei. Yun, Shimei pala ang ano. Hindi naman pala Chimay. Shimei. Chimay ako ng Chimay. Shimei naman pala ang pagka-pronounce to. It's a French ano. Naku, tingnan mo.
Wow!
Grabe, ang tatagal na yung mga bottles na yan. Talaga pati mga babae. Ay malakas minom. Look. Ito yung mga vehicle na ginagamit nila before. Grabe yung mga barrel, oh. Ilang years na kaya to. Dito nila ini-store yung mga beer nila. Okay. Shucks, meron tayong beer map.
Meron dong freebie na ulam, te.
Oh, pero walang Pilipinas. Walang San Miguel beer. Bakit ganun? Walang Gold Eagle beer. Check mo nga in Spain. Baka doon galing ang Check natin kung meron. Saan? Sa Spain talaga, Estrella. Oh, Tita Novabilia, oh. It's in the house. Okay. Ay, dito na yung restaurant. Let's get in.
Maybe a sweet one.
Sweet one. Not too strong.
No, it's not sweet.
Okay.
It's so
How do you say this one?
like made of cherry.
Okay.
And if you want something similar, I will try to invite you to that. And final, Macassi. If
Okay.
you want something like that. And the king of the beers is that.
This one, Trappist.
So it's very strong.
It will end my day.
Exactly.
It's too early, my dear. But I'll try it. I won't.
Okay.
Thank you.
Barcelona.
I came from Barcelona. Yeah.
I see you have the Te Movilidad.
I see. Yes, I see. Yeah, are you from there?
Yeah.
Oh, where?
Samboy.
San Boy. I live in Encants. Encants, near Sagrada Familia.
Okay.
I have my 3 beers. Thank you.
There you go.
Muchas gracias. Ito na po yung lasinggera. At your service. So we still have 2.
Oh my God.
2 more.
So ano pa ang hindi ito pareho to?
You can use those coins pa.
Pero ano to, iba-ibang beer to? Oh.
There are different kinds of
4
beer.
different.
Four different kinds of beer. But this one is fruity.
Mahilig ka sa fruit.
This is the strongest. 10%. Yeah, this fruity also.
Tapos dalawa pa. Sa'yo tong...
Just
Tatlo
try it.
sa'yo?
No.
Tatlo sa'yo.
Cheers! Nandito kami ngayon sa Beer Museum here in Bruges. Yeah. And we're going to try their
Abi pa
beers.
nagka-try.
Yeah.
We also have
We also have this.
cheese from Bruges.
Cheese from Bruges. Ang keso ng mga Bruges. Then we have salami. Ang pulutan and crackers. Ay, naputol. Cheers!
Kalimutan ko na ano to. Ang fruity din.
Fruity nga siya. Parang maasim-asim. Panis yata ito.
Habang ito masarap. Mild. Fruit
Can I try?
Mm.
At mabango ah.
Hininga ko yun.
Hindi, amoy raspberry. Ay, masarap. According to dun sa mga nabahan namin doon, Belgium is home for 200 unique beer style, including Chapis, Lambic.
Style pa lang yan, ha?
Style pa lang yun, ha? Lambic with beer, and Saison and more.
With beer is white beer.
White beer.
Or blonde beer.
Mhm. Grabe naman ng mga tao dito. Sobrang talagang, palainom.
Ang mga tao, ang mga nagbubrew nito, mga monks, mga pare, mga pastor.
Kaso talaga sila ang mga lasinggero at lasinggera.
Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-convert sa isang relihiyon, maging
Dapat
Kristiyano
lasinggero
kayo.
ka. Napaka-interesting nitong yung beer museum, no? Lagi kasi tayo nasa mga painting, mga ganyan, mga
Tayo, lagi
antiques.
nasa ganyan.
Ako kasi mahilig ako pumunta sa mga museum. Pag pumunta ako sa isang bansa, I see to it na pumunta ako sa museum. Cultured. Which one is gusto mo?
Ito, kasi napaka-mild.
Ito yung pinaka-strong, so medyo maya-maya na
Hindi
kasi...
yung pinaka-strong.
Ay,
Hindi siyang strongest.
ito, basta somewhere there. So baka ito na rin ang end ng vlog kasi after nito lasing na kami.
Akala mo magkakape pa tayo doon sa ano.
Ito naman, masyadong totoo.
Ayaw mo yun. Nakikinig ako sa itinerary mo na
Grabe, no?
nakakalimutan mo.
Initial base.
Wala, diba?
Initial base. Mga panira sa script.
Pero drink responsibly.
Oh. Ano daw?
Baka makancel ka.
Alam mo,
Kung gusto mo mag-vlog, baka cancel ka agad. Bad influence. Anong favorite drinks mo o top 3 drinks mo sa lahat ng nainom mo?
ay, favorite ko ang Colt 45.
Na beer? Naalala ko lang yung sa Patalastas kasi bata pa
Colt
ako.
45.
Bakit mo siya
Yung-
favorite?
Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Ang San Miguelite naman, paano-ano ka lang, pa-cute. Pero ngayon, more on, syempre dahil nakatira na ako sa Spain, more on wine naman ako. Okay?
Okay.
Nakakailan ka na?
Pangalawa na to.
Grabe, yan yung malakas ata. Ay, hindi, no.
Malakas tinabit
This
para
one.
sa'yo.
Ano sa akin
Ito
daw?
yung pinili ko eh. Sabi ko yung hindi masyado matakot.
Yeah.
Kasi weak ako eh.
Ay, parang hindi.
Weak ako sa
Parang hindi ka
paalat.
weak.
Weak as I am.
Sa mga, sa pinag-usapan natin kagabi, parang hindi ka naman weak. Ayoko na lang bangkitin ang mga bagay-bagay.
Ayaw
Kaya
mo pagkitin, pero sasabihin.
Kaya bumili tayo ng stroller mamaya.
Uy,
Alam mo, iba-iba. Ito na yung tama ng beer sa akin. Hindi na ako makapag-keep ng secret.
oh, good to know. Pati hindi mo sinabi ka na. Anong findings mo about sa beer sa Belgium? Ever since
Di ba 2 years ago nandito ako, tapos nag-try tayo sa, what's that? Bar Postal Hotel? Ano yan?
Post Hotel.
Post Hotel. Namunta kami sa Post Hotel. Ang ganda
Dati
nung,
siyang post office, ginawa
dati siyang
nilang
post office,
hot
ginawang
hotel.
beer. Ginawang beer. Nako.
Ginawang cafe.
Ginawang cafe. Busin natin to. Tagay. Tagay tayo dito. Yan. So, buhay pa.
Okay pa.
Buhay pa. Hindi naman tayo lasing na
Hindi
lasing.
naman. Kahit tipsy, konti lang.
Konti lang. Okay.
Kasi marami tayong snacks. Uy,
Let's go! Ay! May araw na naman! Hello, Mr. Sunshine!
ano lipat siya ng lugar sa
Gusto niya sa initan. Ay, mabait siya. Nagbibigay yung crush ko ng pera. Sana,
Baka mayaman din.
mukha nga.
Baka mamaya, Del Boy, binibigyan.
Ah. Okay. So sunny. I love it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you for this weather.
Pinapunta lang talaga sila sa beer museum.
Ah. Pero hindi naman kami nalasing kasi kaya nga drink moderately. So, papunta na kami sa
We'll just see.
tignan man natin kung successful naman tayo sa ticket sa boating. This one. This one is an open shop. We can go inside. Nice. This one is nice. Magugustuhan ng mga mother to. Mother, ulo ko. Even yung mga wine holder. Ganito nila ginagawa yan, no?
Yes, you can choose one souvenir from me.
Sure?
Yes.
Wow,
I
thank
think
you
mamamili ka.
naman.
Pero mamili ka.
Alam mo, ang ganda na nakita mo.
Yeah?
I like that. Sure ka?
Oo.
Mm.
May ano ka, and it's given to you. So that's why.
Thank you.
Sure na ito, hindi yung ibang version.
Let me choose.
Ayun na.
Ay, ang ganda niya. Super ganda. Uy, magnet. May ref magnet. Nagawa ng lace. Wow, cute. Meron din Christmas decor. There's a Christmas tree. Let's go. Try namin bumili ng ticket for boating.
Tapos baka for one person kung magkandungan.
Pwede ba yun? Let's see.
Per person, 15 euros. Per person.
Go?
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Kaso, siksikan eh. Pero okay lang.
How long is normally the tour? It's 35 minutes. 35 minutes.
Uy. Let's go. Boating. Ready ka na ba?
Masinag kaya.
Yeah. This portion is brought to you by Super Ferry. Talagang trip kita.
English for everybody. Kijk nog Zwievenham. Wat is het? Zwievenzeren. No, aan Nederland. Is everybody happy
Yes!
for the moment? So first we're gonna count how many people we are. When we come back, we're gonna count again. So if we lose somebody, we will know when we come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36. So when we come back, we should be 36.
This is how you know how to count in Dutch, no?
Are we ready to go?
Yes!
Enthusiastic people are like that. Een van de grootste en hoogste gebouwen die we hebben in Europa gemaakt in baksteen. 123 meter hoog en binnenin kan je Madonna met kind bezoeken van Michelangelo. So the building here in front of us behind the trees is the Church of Our Lady, one of the highest and biggest buildings we have in Europe, made in brick. 122 meter high, and inside you can visit Madonna with child by Michelangelo. The Church of Our Lady was also used for the movie The Monuments Men with George Clooney. So George Clooney was in the Church of Our Lady. I know. Wow. First bridge, the hood is a bridge. When we go under the bridge and you look up, you will see baby stalactites. If you look up, of course.
Yeah. Stalactites.
Wow.
Yeah.
Onze tweede brug, de Bonifatiusbrug, ook de Liefdesbrug genaamd. Als we onder de Liefdesbrug varen en uw kunstige liefde is het voor eeuwige liefde. So the second bridge is the Love Bridge. We're gonna go under the Love Bridge and you kiss your beloved. You're gonna have love forever. Are you ready, guys? So listen up. You can do it. I will not.
We're sisters, huh?
Here we go. Love is support. They love forever. Good eeuwige liefde.
It's a platonic relationship, ma. Oh, so sweet. Oh, look at the house. Look at the house.
Hoe gedaan iedereen bedoel ik.
Oh.
Hier hebben we links en rechts privaathuizen van de 17e en 19e
Oh,
eeuw.
there's an owl.
So here we have left and right private
It's a
houses
hawk,
from the
wow.
17th up to the 19th century, and they're pretty expensive. I'm going to show you how much it costs for a little house.
Wow.
So you don't know it costs for a klein huis. The little white house on the
Wow.
corner here, 650,000 euros.
Okay.
Then you have to start the interior and everything.
Oh.
And also in summertime, every day 200 boats were passing for 650,000 euros. On the right side behind the bridge, St. John's Hospital, one of the first clinics in Europe. It was made in 1188 and still active in 1976. One of the first clinics in Europe. Ik ben hier geboren in het ziekenhuis in 1972 en ik ben er best trots op natuurlijk.
So it's a
I was born
hospital.
in this hospital in 1972 and I'm very proud of it.
Wow.
Yes, of course. But now it's no more hospital, but different bars, restaurants and 2 museums. Dus nu is het geen ziekenhuis meer, maar wel verschillende bars, restaurants en 3 museums. Here on the right side you're going to see 2 of the bars and restaurants, but it's much bigger than that. And you can also see the cathedral from the 12th century. Really nice to have a drink here and watch the boats pass by. Heel leuk om hier een drankje te nuttigen
Nice.
en te kijken naar de bootjes die passeren.
Nice area.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to do the most dangerous part in our adventure underwater. We are going under the lowest bridge, so look out for your head. Attenzione la cabeza. Are you ready, guys? So
Yeah.
look out for your head, please. I don't want any accidents like yesterday. Here we go.
Should we lean back? No? Lean back. Lean back.
Maybe it's not a problem for me. See? It's not
Wow. Oh my God. Everyone's alive?
Here on the left side, we have the first brewery by the water. We have 2 of them. This one is the Half Moon. Where they make 2 kinds of beer, Strava Hendrik and Brug Suzanne. You can visit the brewery and taste the
Brug
beer
Suzanne.
and eat the local dishes inside if you like. En voor ons hebben we het Sashuis in de 18e eeuw. In front of us you have the Lock House. The Lock House is from the 18th century and it's still working to control the level of the water of the canals. Behind the Lock House you have the Lover's Lake. If you go over there for a walk, there's going to be more romance in the air. And there's more swans over there. And swans, we have approximately 70 swans in the center of Bruges. Every swan has a number, and in winter time when it's too cold, the city takes all the swans into a swan farm. They're well protected because we cannot take them home, and we cannot eat them also.
That's sad.
Met 70 zwanen, iedere zwaan die heeft een nummer en in de winter wanneer het te koud is, neemt de stad ze binnen in een zwanenboerderij. By the way, I love no mother in law. Oh, yes, I do. So look out for your head again. It's the same bridge.
Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying?
Down the brug. Attenzione la cabeza.
Saya no. Learning a lot.
Tapos paano yung kapitan?
Exactly.
Ayun na naman yung Lord.
Here on the left side behind the log bridge, you're going to see the house of the Lords of Rutherford, but they also one of the richest families here in the Middle Ages, but they also have the smallest window in Bruges, a tiny Gothic window. I'm going to show you. It's here on the left side of the building in the middle, hier links van het gebouw in het midden. Smallest window of Bruges. Over there. Can you see it? Amazing, eh? It was for the women to spy on the men. Dat voor de dames om de mannen te bespioneren. Here on the right side you have the flea market. The flea market only Saturday and Sunday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday. But normally it's full of merchants, but it didn't come with the bad weather. The flea market. En hier links de tweede brouwerij met waterbrouwerij, de Bourgogne de Vlaanderen. Een klein familiebrouwerij waar je allemaal kleine biertjes als elkaar kan proeven. Heel leuk om te doen. En alle bier dat ze verkopen is huisgebrouwen. So here on the left side with the terrace, Bourgogne de Vlaanderen, the second brewery by the water. Here you can taste all little beers next to each other. Really fun to do and good beer. I love it over there. But let's put the night after work. Bourgogne de Vlaanderen is the name of the brewery. A microbrewery, a little family brewery.
We're here.
On the left side here we have courthouse, the old courthouse from the 16th century. Het oud justitiepaleis van de 16e eeuw en het is nu het bureau van toerisme. It's now Tourist Information Center. On the left side. So here you see the red house on the left side. Red houses like this in Bruges are called blood houses. Blood houses were owned by the middle class people, and to show they had money, they painted their facade in red with cow blood, with ox blood. Nowadays, you buy a house like that, a blood house, it has to stay the color red by UNESCO, it's protected. But we don't use the ox blood anymore. Iedereen okay? Everybody okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So here in Bruges, we have like 9 churches, 300 chapels, and at least 400 pubs in this city. So this city is really good in balance between the Catholics and the alcoholics, I think. In Bruges, 9 kerken, 300
Grabe siya, no?
I can know it because when he was making his movie in 2008, was working here across the water, restaurant de Bourgogne, and saw everything. Dus hier zie je het houten gebouw, een replica van de 17e eeuw. Het is nu een romantic hotel, maar het werd ook gebruikt voor de film In Bruges met de gekende acteur Colin Farrell in 2008. So ladies and gentlemen, now sadly we arrive now at the end of our adventure on the water. I hope you enjoyed my explanation and I wish you a lovely evening in Bruges.
Sa bar siya rin yung nag-drinks.
Oh, nice. May coffee? Yeah. There's some coffee. Wow. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Look at this cafe. Look at this art cafe. Beautiful cafe with massive art collection. Ah, you have beautiful cafe.
Thank you.
Nice shirt also. Ganda. Even the tables. Even the tables is a work of art. May. May's Art Cafe. We are in May's Art Cafe.
Yung feel yung nandyan lang lagi, okay? Pero
May mga ducks. With different kinds of chocolate, cafe. Parang gusto ko yung cafe. Ito yung truffle, oh.
tingnan ko may labang mo.
Where?
Talaga siya incorporated.
Oo. Ay, sige, try natin yan. Isang ganito, isang lavender, isang cafe. Cafe.
Isa lang. So, pakagat ka tapos sa
Try, check natin.
Ano siya yung cocktail?
Hi! We wanna try the lavender.
1 or 2?
Na, dalawa.
Isa lang pinuman niya.
2, please. Cafe. Ikaw, bakit cafe? Anong gusto mo i-try? Just one. Thank you.
Piña colada.
Piña colada. Wasabi.
Sige, ikaw.
Mm. Which one do you recommend, dear?
I like that one.
This one? Okay, please. This one? No. No. Yeah, that's it. A cheesecake, please. One cheesecake. Thank you.
Meron silang award yung may fire shop. One of the recognized things.
So thank you so much for joining me. Talaga nag-enjoy ako buong araw, kalalakad, kakainom ng beer, waffle, and eating chocolates. So kung gusto niyo tong vlog na to at nagustuhan niyo, I hope nagustuhan niyo, please like, comment, and subscribe para tuloy-tuloy tayong bumiyahe all around the world saan mang sulok ng mundo. Remember, this is not just a vlog, this is Mabilisang Biyahe.